Good morning, Namaste. Hope you all are fine, safe at home. Big fight going on. So, spirit up, great courage, and more motivation. For that, your humble friend Rajendra Arya is always there to talk to you, to share something with you. My dears, have you ever met a person who always sits on his own Eiffel Tower of I, me and myself? You will smile like me and say that there are so many people surrounded in our society, in our friend circle, in our family also. Why do you smile when we are talking about those people? We are smiling not because of their confidence, but their ignorance. I, me, only I can do this. Have you ever seen a person like me? The way I have done, you can't imagine, you can't think what I have done. You just stop and listen to me first. Let me tell you, this I, this me. Sometimes we get sick hearing such type of people, and to be very frank and honest, sometimes we are also victimized of this ego. This egoism, yes my dears, it's a very horrible disease, very painful. It seems that it is blossoming. It seems that it is going high, but for sure it will not bear the results. The person who always talks and speaks about the self-made, about patting his back always, or trying to prove that he is the best. This is, of course, a general human tendency for the self-promotion that you, me, everybody do. When we go to the market just to purchase even a pen, and the vendor offers us the pen and the paper, immediately what we do is we write our name. It is good. But this is a human tendency. The self-promotion. Self-promotion is good, but self-recommendation, always I the best. This is a disease. The person suffering with this will be outcast and dejected from the society. And even in our friend circle, my dears, we don't wish to talk to those people who are suffering with this ego. The best way is the humble way. What you know, don't declare. Let your works prove that you are the best, not the words. The rose, it will not give any certificate that I am a rose. And see how sweet I smell. Its sweet smell is its recommendation, its recognition. So my dears, always try to think about others. The core of the sin is I. If we replace I and put you, put we rather, that would serve a greater purpose. Share a bit, but do share. Always thinking about oneself will create fuss. And tell me, out of thinking so much about you, about yourself, what have you acquired? Just a false illusion, nothing else. Try to think for others. Try to laugh for others for no reason. If you are self-praised person always, you will get divorce from all the relationships. Because here, nobody wants. Everybody keeps the ego. And when everybody keeps it, they will not readily be tolerating you. Better put it aside. And you will find that the people, they have started hearing you, believing in you. This will be possible when the I is replaced. When you start thinking for the others, you will get a good rich results. Egoism, egoist, they are no more wanted in the society or in any relationship. They are not long race horses. देखा है कुछ ऐसे खुदाओं को यहाँ, देखा है कुछ ऐसे खुदाओं को यहाँ, सामने जिनके सचमुच का खुदा कुछ भी नहीं. Be more humble, be honest, and things will come out nicely. Have a great time to all of you. Thanks a lot for that lovely listening. Thank you.